This is live action, baby.
Okay. I don't know if we got it measured.
Okay, I'm gonna slow her down, Dad.
Hold the neck.
Okay.
Okay, pull down.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about, baby! Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, go ahead, give her a measurement right here on your new board that you just did. Do it the other way, Dad, if you can. Right there. Ow! What was that off of, Dad? That was off of,
Rapala.
the Rapala. Okay, I'm kicking her back in gear, Dad. Okay, where's my fucking control at? Hey, baby, this is what I'm talking about.
God. Okay, wow. There you go.
There you go, baby. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. Nope.
Nope.
Tired.
Probably though. He's hooked right in the gills, so. Where's the? Do I really need another bowl?
No. What's wrong with them?
But there's nothing we can do. They're kicked out.
Maybe they'll try to resurface it.
It's fucking tired. It's fucking fighting for fucking how long? Dies, it dies. There's nothing really you can do about it. And to me, you probably knew that because it was fucking hooked right in the gills.
Yeah. Hey, that was some fucking live action, I'm telling you. Hey, we're going to be posting it more up on Pineview Reservoir, don't worry. And look, we still got 2 pulls fucking out. I mean, that is a boss style boss. Brought to you by who? Yeah, that's right. The legs, water legs. Supporting it. This is the leg life, baby.